To give it your best shot, you'll have to pick the right one. This is when to use the laces or inside of the foot to shoot. We all want to score goals, but different situations call for different shots. Let's look at two common ones, the instep or laces shot, and shooting with the inside of the foot. The instep shot is often the most powerful option, and it's what you want to use for long-distance shooting or to give the ball speed. A clean strike with the laces, like that, can produce a line drive with minimum curve and, with luck, a goal. Another option, using the inside of the foot. What this shot lacks in power and speed, it makes up for in accuracy, because here we have a bigger surface area to connect with the ball. This option is better when you're closer to the goal, like this, and a simple pass is all it takes. It may be less exciting than the instep shot, but a goal is a goal no matter how big or small.